All right, baby Dragon X Adventure fam. We're going to go through, we've already done some, just a quick test. We did 420 transformation of BDX into B88, and we did 420 scale into S88, so everything's working perfectly well. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to run through a sizable amount. So let's just go through here. We're first going to transform 1,000,000,000 BDX. And look at that. That's exactly the amount that's there. So the first thing we're going to do is do a transform. Kind of back it up here, let you see the full screen. By the way, it's nighttime over here in Southeast Asia. Beautiful weather, but as you all know, the internet gets a little slow over here at night. So, all right. So first of all, you have to approve it. And now we are transforming 1,000,000,000 Baby Dragon Eggs. The reason I'm going through this whole procedure is because of there's a lot of publicly called functions here, and I'd like you to really kind of see them. So everything is done there. That's the first amount. Now we're going to go over to buy and burn. Let's just take a look at it. So there's nothing set to there, but we've got the control center. We are going to deposit to the LP injector. So let's do that. So this is actually allowing B88 to be into the LP injector of E280, of which we have mentioned in the white paper and on some streams that these are all paired with E280. All right, so the LP injector is done. Let's do the swap of the element now. And that worked. So we're not going to do any bridging right now. That'll be a little bit later. And now we can deposit into the buy and burn, which, as you know, was pretty aggressive, about a 35%, if I remember correctly. So there we go. That all works flawlessly. And now we can actually do a swap of element because the first set of transactions has gone through with B88. So now there is some to swap there. So let's do that. So basically, this buy and burn works pretty similarly to the original Baby Jack's buy and burn. It is a different contract. It is forked with some slight upgrades. So we are now completely swapped. The injector's done. Like I said, we're not doing any bridging. Slide on over here to buy and burn. So this, so the scale, obviously, we haven't done anything yet. We're not on there yet. This is the first buy and burn. This is the, like, what we call the OG buy and burn, right? The original one that we launched on February 29th of last year. How time flies. And that is it for B88. I'm going to cut this up into 2 videos. So that's everything for B88.